How to create your online shop. Step-by-step guide for beginners.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own online shop even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know the key steps to launch your store and start selling online. Let's jump in. Stop scrolling. What if I told you that you could launch your own online shop today? Even with zero experience? Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create your online shop step by step and how beginners are turning this into real income. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Find a winning product. First, you need something to sell, but don't overthink it. Look for products that solve a problem or follow a trend. Ask yourself, is this useful? Are people already buying it? Pro tip, simple beats perfect. Just start. You don't need a warehouse full of products. Step 2. Choose the right platform next. Pick where your shop will live. Tons of beginner-friendly platforms let you build a store in minutes. No coding, no stress, just drag, drop, and launch. Step 3. Build a store that sells. This is where most people mess up. Your store needs Temzi clean design, clear product photos, simple descriptions. Think about it. Would you buy from your store? If not, fix it before you launch. Step 4. Payments and delivery. Please set up the payments so you can get paid. Add card payments, PayPal, or whatever works for your audience. If you're selling physical products, sort out shipping early. This avoids headaches later. Step 5. Launch and get traffic. Now the exciting part, launch your store. But here's the truth. No traffic equals no sales. So promote your shop. Post on social media. Share with friends. Create short videos. Consistency is key. That's it. You now have the exact roadmap to start your online shop today. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll show you how to get your first sale in the next video. See you there.